I've seen a lot of AI tools claim they're going to change filmmaking, but this one made me stop for a second. TopView Studio can take an idea and turn it into something that actually starts looking like a finished piece of video. So I wanted to find out, is this genuinely useful for creators and filmmakers, or does it just look impressive in a demo? The first thing I noticed is how different this feels from traditional video production. Normally, if I wanted to create a cinematic scene, I'd need a camera, locations, actors, lighting, footage, and then a whole editing process afterward. With an AI workflow, I can start with the idea itself and begin exploring what that scene could look like before worrying about all of that production overhead. And that's where I think TopView Studio gets interesting. If you're a content creator, agency, marketer, or even an independent filmmaker, you can experiment with visual concepts much faster. Instead of spending hours trying to figure out whether an idea will work, you can generate a version of it and see where it goes. But I wouldn't call this a Hollywood replacement just yet. The impressive part is the individual shots. The difficult part is making an entire story feel consistent. A character might look slightly different from one scene to another. Lighting can change, the camera movement might not match what you imagined. And when you're trying to create something longer than a short social clip, those little problems become much easier to notice. That's why I think the real value isn't necessarily replacing an entire film crew, it's reducing the cost of experimentation. Imagine you're working on a commercial. Instead of explaining your idea to a client with a rough storyboard, you could potentially show them a visual version of the concept. Or you're an independent filmmaker with a scene you can't afford to shoot yet. AI could let you explore that scene before committing real money to production. And honestly, that's the part that feels important to me. AI doesn't need to completely replace Hollywood to change filmmaking. It just needs to make ideas cheaper and faster to test. So, would I use TopView Studio to make an entire feature film tomorrow? Probably not. Would I use it to prototype scenes, create marketing content, experiment with concepts, and build visuals that would normally cost a lot more? Absolutely worth testing. The technology is moving fast, and the biggest advantage right now might simply be that you can try ideas that previously would have been too expensive to even attempt. Now I'm curious, if you had access to an AI filmmaking studio for one day, what movie scene would you create first? Comment below and tell me the scene you'd want to bring to life.